Hello everyone, Thomas Turner here, known as TMT Designs, and today I'm going to be showing you what SEO is, how it is affected, how companies use it, and how websites use it. So first of all, what SEO is, what actually are these three letters? So it's Search Engine Optimization. So let's break this down. So search engine, that's pretty much one section. So search, it wants people to search for the content, which is the most reliable content for the user. Engine, search engine. An engine has lots of different searches such as YouTube, Google, Yahoo, Bing. There's many others on the internet. Okay, so, and optimization. So how is this content optimized for the user? How will it suit their needs the best? How efficient is this content? How relevant is it? Okay, so I'm just gonna break down in this video of how I'm going to do this. So first of all, I'm going to go to this website, but Beast Fractions, a website what I've done in the past. So how did I get this to the rank top in Google when people search for Beast Fractions or Beast Space Fractions? So why is it at the top? So Google looks at it as in which is the most relevant content and which is the most reliable. So how is it done it on this website? So it's looked at Beast Fractions 1 and it's found it about 6 times, so 2 in the URL, then 3 in the description, and then 4 again in the description of the website, and then 5 search for more results. Since this website has been online for a few years now, Google has recognized it and it's added little sections. Here's an unbanned section, here's a form section, and it's added different sections onto the web page because it knows this is a strong content website. It knows that it's very reliable since it gets loads of traffic. Lots of people know about it, and it's got loads of backlinks, as you can see here on the server lists. It's even got a Facebook page, and it's just very relevant for the user. So now if I look at another example, so here is my website. So this is TMT Designs, but alright, so how is it searched for the most relevant content here? What has it done? So as we can see, TMT Designs has shown up a few times. So even if I do for TMT Space Designs, how does it know this is that? How does it know this is me? And why have the results changed right now? Okay, so it's noticed the relevant context. TMT Designs is relevant to designs. So then it's looked for designer, it's looked for designs, it's looked for the nearest word it can find. So obviously here it's my name's Thomas Turner. I'm a freelance graphic designer, web developer. I specialize in web development and digital art based in Leeds. But so how has it done this? So it's looked at the keyword TMT Designs. It's looked for the strongest result, the one which has got most traffic. My website does get quite a lot of traffic. It must have more traffic than these pages below here. So then if I carry on scrolling down, here we can see someone else's. And these are some other people's, because these guys may have more likes than me. They may have stronger keywords. Here, look, this person, latest TMT design. This is how it's looked at it, because obviously it's looked at me. I've got strong traffic, and this just need a bit more optimization on my part. But see, 2222. So why am I at the top? Because I've probably got more traffic, I've got more faster website, I've got more content to deliver for the user, my website's probably more stable, and yeah. But then if I carry on scrolling down, but why is this TMT Designs not at the bottom? Why is it still relevant? Because it's got web design here, and that's relevant to my website, and it's got TMT Designs in leads, and then the in leads part is on this website as well. So it's trying to get all the information together. Like if we looked at Beast Fractions here, all the information is relevant, all the Beast Fractions page, Twitter page and all that. The content is all relevant for the user. So obviously when a user searches Beast Fractions, they've straight got the website, same as TMT Designs. Like if you do just with no spaces. So here there's more relevant content, because look, see what search TMT Designs, or there's a link TMT Designs, and this doesn't update every day on Google. This it could update every month, every few weeks. I'm not too sure what the algorithm timings are. I think it just depends on the date of the month, to be honest. But yeah, like this website is still in a work in progress. I really want TMT Space Designs to be at the top, and that's just a work in progress which I have to do. So now on the YouTube part. So this is what people tend to not even think. What YouTube has SEO, what is it? What? Well, alright. So on YouTube it's slightly different ball game. Slightly different, but it's more of the blog type SEO. So obviously if I typed in how to install iRed mail server on Ubuntu in Google, then it'd show me loads of blogs, and that's how you'd market a blog. But anyway, in this tutorial I'm just going to show you how to market a YouTube video. So what I did, how did I become the 4th result within 1 month, pretty much less, and how am I beating all these people with 2 hours longer videos? How am I even ranked up here? So how I've done this is very strong keyword tags and descriptions. So as we can see, YouTube has searched and they've found this iRed mail installation. So there's no keywords here, there's one. The video is a long video, so it must be relevant. It's got 5,000 views, and there, look, it's got even more keywords in the description. But if we look at my description, how to install, that is not relevant to how to set up. It will look as in set up and installation. It'll look at them videos, and if that video has got a keyword saying set up iRed mail Ubuntu, they're more relevant for the user. Same as a search engine, what I discussed earlier. But yeah, so obviously on my video I had loads of different tags relating to what people were searching. How do people set up an iRed mail server and stuff like that. You got to make your content as relevant as possible for the user. And YouTube is now using watch time, so obviously these are longer videos, that's why they're more higher up here. Possibly, like, maybe someone's watched all my video and YouTube's like, wow, you've got a long watch time, but then someone's clicked off this video within 1 minute. So that's how I've become more relevant as time goes on. I'm hoping to get to the top on a lot of my videos. You just got to make your content very key for the user, very attractive, very clear, and yeah. But anyway, I'm still in work in progress, as you can tell in this video. But anyway, all feedback is highly appreciated. But yeah, this pretty much wraps up the tutorial for today. Hope you've learned what SEO is and how it is used in search engines. Thanks a lot for watching, and don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe, and see you in the next one.